Hey, how's it going? This is Carlos from ERD Powertrain. Today's topic is why why to buy a CPC4 quick release harness. Wow, that is a long title, but it gets the point out. What is a quick release harness and why is it made for the CPC4? The CPC4 quick release harness was invented or made by us here at ERD Powertrain and is built to protect from CPC4 theft. Here's a CPC4. You guys may already know these are found in freightliner cascadias, and there's different other truck models that have this CPC4, but mostly freightliner cascadias. Uh, Years ranging 2012 to 2021, I believe. Uh, could could be either or. Why buy it? So I'm just gonna pinpoint a few things. A lot of people have been calling saying that this harness is too expensive, and I just want to reiterate. Nowadays, everything is expensive, um, but you don't go to a steakhouse and be like, "Well, this steak I can find it for $5 at the grocery market." So why would you question the price on this harness if this harness is a harness to protect your assets? If I had trucks, I would purchase this because knowing the headache of losing a CPC4 and the process of it, it's really expensive. I've heard different stories from different customers from, hey, I'm 5K in the hole, 10K in the hole, um, and not only have they been hit once, they've been hit up to 6 times. And I don't know about you, but I don't like to lose money. So I would equip myself with, if I had trucks, I would equip all my trucks with this innovative harness. There may be others out there that are imitating this quick release harness, but we are the home of this first and only CPC4 quick release harness. If you want to equip your trucks with this harness, give us a call and we'll one of our team members or me will help you figure out what your configuration is from your truck. If you already been hit and need a repair kit, we also sell the repair kits to fix these connectors that are found in your truck. Um, we also have a CPC4 wiring marking chart that we have developed that would help you or your mechanic resplice brand new connectors and figure out your configuration. We also have that in stock. So reach out to us. We are proudly from North Carolina and we can ship anywhere from in the US, Mexico, or Canada. So reach out to us and we look forward to protecting your assets. Catch you later.